Good evening, everyone. Hope all are doing good. Today I will share my 10-day learning from the video Strength Secret by Elle Nightingale. So I have summarized my learning till date into 10 bullet points. So coming to point number 1. So what is success? Success is the progressive realization of a worthy ideal. And coming to second, why someone are successful and some are not? It is because of goals. People who write goals, people who believe in the goals and they take massive action, they are successful. Coming to third, what is key to success and key to failure? We become what we think about. Coming to fourth, what is the basis of law of prosperity and success? It is believe and succeed. 3-letter word. So what is the point number 5? It tells about Newton's third law. For every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. You can achieve nothing without paying a price. So what is the price? It is mainly 5 things. Think, that is, we become what we think about. Imagine, courage, concentrate your goals every day. Then save 10% of your earning. Then last one, action. Ideas are worthless unless we act on them. So this is the Strength Secret. Coming to point number 6, we must take control of our mind. If you think in positive terms, you will get positive result. But it is easier to think negative. So this is why only 5% people are successful. Rest are not. Point number 7. So why writing goal is important? Very, very important. Because a person who writes the goal is a successful person, and person does not write the goal, he is not successful. Because with respect to goal, they write their action steps and they believe in their goals and they take massive action, so they are successful. So Elle Nightingale tells about goal card. In one part of goal card, a person has to write their goal, predefined goal, and other side he has to write the quotes. What is the quotes? Ask, it shall be given to you. Seek and it shall find. Knock and it shall open to you. Point number 8. The only way to earn money is by providing people with services or products which are needed and useful. Success is in direct proportional to our service. Point number 9. Your success is always be measured by the quantity and quality of the service you render, and money is a yardstick for measuring the service. Point number 10. 6 steps that will help us to realize success. So what are those? First one, set a definite goal. Second one, quit running yourself down. Third one, stop thinking about why you are not successful. Fourth, trace your attitude through your childhood. Fifth, change the image of yourself by writing the description of person you would like to be. Sixth, ask the part of successful person you have decided to become. So these are all my learnings throughout 10 days. So thanks for watching and believing in me. Have a nice evening. But do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you with a new video, new learning and a new day.